saw in a magazine actually that SEMA was promoting this Collector Car Appreciation Day, I thought, you know what, I think that would be something good to get into. And that was the first year. And I think we had maybe 30 or 40 cars and then every year it's grown. Last year we had 175 cars here. I never had done a car show in my life, and these guys taught me how to do it. So, and just start going to car shows, find you a venue, and like I say, you might only start off with 30 cars or so, but it will grow. To get 30 cars, you might have to drop 2,000 or 3,000 flyers too. But to me, it's very fulfilling. On my card I have, it's all about the cars, and that's nice, but it's really all about the people that you meet along the way.